Order filled.
A little scalp there. That could have been a trade to hold below there. I was about to say. Possibility of a turtle soup for this sell side here. And there you go. Sell side take.
But ICT concepts don't work. There's no algorithm.
Right to script. Alright, going right into the open here. I'm looking at this 15-minute range. This range here. And I like these highs right here. So hopefully at the open it can shoot up there. Take these highs. And the possibility of a turtle soup for this sell side here. If it just keeps shooting higher, I like this high here. Going to 15, that's another high right there. And I also have, if you go up to the hourly chart, I would be looking at this wick here, the quadrants. So that's what it looks like. I have this buy side here. And there's the buy side there. And then there's the quadrants of that wick from the hourly chart. Alright, we're now open. I'm looking at the possibility of it coming up to these highs here. Now we're trading higher. Just fell short of that, so I don't like that. I wouldn't be interested in that. And if it just keeps going lower and takes that low, then I'm not too interested in that. Alright, there we go, ripping higher. So I took that buy side, so that's all this buy side here on the 5-second chart. And then we have the possibility of that buy side.
Order filled.
For the sake of this structure here, I'm gonna put my limit on that low there.
Order filled.
There we go. I think what I would like to see happen is us come above this one more time, lay some bodies in there, and see if it wants to rip lower all of this. And there you go, back above this high. So I'm interested to see what they do here.
Order filled.
I'll play here. We could do like a little scalp and see if they want to take it below this low here.
Order filled.
There we go. That could have been a trade to hold below there, I was about to say. There you go. So really I would prefer them take this high, since if they're going to take this high, I think they're just going to come up and take that. There you go, they took that high. So here I would be interested to see if they want to use all this to now go back down into that.
Order filled.
For me, to see a trade below these guys here.
Order filled.
And see if it wants to come down and just zap all of these lows here. And just like that. There you go. And now you protect all your positions and leave some runners on to see if they want to take it under this low. I think this is the price run that they're going to use. And so I think this is the price one. So look at that. Look how beautiful. Beautiful and predictable. And so now this would be a sell program. So now we trade below those lows here like I wanted. And now I wouldn't tell you that it's guaranteed that we go under this low, but it would be advantageous for you to have runners because there's a good chance, a good probability of us taking this low out, because everything in prices is basically telling you that that's what's going to happen. And there you go, sell side take.
But ICT concepts don't work. ICT's a fraud. There's no algorithm.
Right to script, fix that. And there you go. Look at this on the 1 minute chart. Normally people are trading these time frames here. They're just stuck on the 1 minute chart. Do you see that level of detail on here? Because I can't. I can't trade this. But see how different it is when you drop down to these lower time frames, how much more detail there is to price when we're in time, and how predictable these markets can be. This is me in hindsight now. So take a look at this hourly wick that I had before the market even opened. The price is 25,171. That's the top of that wick. Now look at this price here. That's the high. The high is 25,171 to the tick before giving up the ghost and performing to script.